Hey everybody. Well, summer is really heating up and it is hot, hot, hot. And we all scream for ice cream or some other way of beating the heat. Welcome back to Highlights at Home, where the theme for this new collection of free digital Fun with a Purpose resources is Cool Off. Now back to ice cream for a moment. In this collection, we've included a recipe for homemade vanilla ice cream that your kids can help make. And it comes with an explanation of the science behind creating that creamy texture we all love every step of the way. Now, if ice cream doesn't do it for you and you prefer an ice pop, we've included a suggestion here for making one, but it's not edible, it's a craft. All you need are craft sticks, pom-poms, and poster board. Your kids might enjoy making this craft and using it to create a keepsake greeting card they can send to friends or relatives they haven't seen for a while with the message, "You're the coolest." Of course, another fun way to cool off is with water play. In our Hidden Pictures puzzle, we feature seals having a ball at a water park. And the story included in this bundle, which is animated and read aloud, is about some young entrepreneurs who decide to start a lemonade stand, but they get pretty hot selling their wares. When cold lemonade and cool shade doesn't do it for them, they get out the sprinkler. And that, of course, is a timeless activity that all kids love. Maybe your kids would like to get out the sprinkler today. What is your kid's favorite way of cooling off? Have them write about it or draw a picture, and then add it to that COVID time capsule I know you've been keeping. From all of us at Highlights, stay healthy, stay hopeful, stay cool, and we'll be back in a few days with more free resources. Take care.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.